Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
Jessy's new doll. A moral story: show gratitude for what others do for you. Jessy was the daughter of a poor carpenter. She did not have many toys, so she often stood outside the toy shop and looked through the window. One day, she saw a father buying an expensive fancy doll for his daughter. Jessy began to cry and went home. She told her mother, "I want a fancy doll. I don't have any toys." Jessy's mother hugged her and said, "Don't worry, Jessy. Father will bring a doll for you tomorrow." The carpenter spent his next day making a wooden doll for Jessy. When he went home, Jessy refused to take the doll. "But I wanted a fancy doll, not a wooden one," she said. Suddenly, she noticed a bandage on her father's hand. She realized that he had cut his hand while making the doll for her. Jessy hugged her father and said, "This is the most beautiful doll in the world."
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.